What is up, life agents? It's Pete Fournier coming at you for a minute to talk about just overall finances being in the individual life insurance market. Now, there is a ton of money to be made selling individual life insurance. We all know comps can be very, very high. If you're working as maybe an agency manager or you're direct to an IMO or whatever, you might be getting overrides, residual checks. There's a lot of money that can be made. However, there's also a lot of money that gets spent on bullshit. Now, I'm a culprit of doing that. I love watches, right? And I like a nice car to drive around in every day. Yeah? But I'm also going to make sure that my finances are in check before I buy crazy shit. Example. When I first started, I went broke real quick. And I don't mean like I wasn't like living on the street or whatever. I still had an apartment and stuff, but I never had money or cash in my accounts because I was getting it and then spending it on dumb shit, right? So if you're like me and you're a spender and you're brand new, and brand new meaning like first 12 months in the business, make sure you're saving at least 40% of your advances. If you're paid as earned, still save 40%, but 40% of your upfront commission every single time you get a deposit. This is going to be for taxes, for business expenses, for leads, if you're buying leads, for marketing materials, etc. 40%. And for those of you that are brand spanking new, like first 30, 60, 90 days, and maybe you're thinking about getting on a lead system, sell your warm market first. Use the commissions off of your warm market. As long as you know what you're talking about, you can sell friends and family day one. Save up about $3,000, maybe $3,500 if you're a bigger spender, and then put that money to work and set it aside to use it for leads and marketing expenses. So rule of thumb, save 40% of your comp at least. And if you're brand spanking new, save up about $3,000 and keep it in a rotating business account for yourself. You don't have to have an LLC. I just mean a checking account that you're using for business. Because the worst type of salesperson and the worst type of insurance agent is a scared agent. One, you're not going to close as many deals. And two, you're going to do some shifty shit for customers. I see it all the time. If you're scared and you need money, your ethics sometimes go to the wayside. So don't let that happen. 40% plus, save $3,000 before you start buying leads. That's it for today. I'm Pete Fournier. And as always, that's the Daily Tip. I'll see you next time.